Hi, I'm here in the beautiful garden of one of my listings that just received an accepted offer. And I wanted to talk to any of you who are also thinking about putting your house on the market right now, but are concerned or feeling a little overwhelmed by all the things you feel like you need to do to get your house ready. So I wanted to tell you about a brand new program that William Raveis has just launched called Raveis Refresh. Let me show you what it looks like. So Raveis Refresh is a premier service that helps you do just about anything you can think of to help get your house ready for the market. Any cost associated with it is completely deferred until you close on your house. So, for example, you may have repairs you feel need to be done in the basement or up to the roof, or maybe you feel like your bathrooms or your kitchen need renovation. That's fine. We can do that. If your house just needs some staging, and most homes do need a little bit of staging before they go on the market, we can do that. Could be anything from painting to landscaping to bringing in new furniture or rearranging what you have. And in addition, if you just feel like you need some help with your own personal to-do list, packing, cleaning, decluttering, we've got you covered there too. So what's involved with the process? Well, we take your listing and I submit it to the Raveis Refresh program. A completely complimentary consultant will come and give you a call to talk about the projects you think may need to be done. And they will help define a clear scope of work that will maximize your listing in the marketplace. Then we get competitive quotes from the vendors on our approved list, and you can include your vendor for consideration on that list. And you get a proposal, you pick a quote, the work is scheduled and overseen by Raveis Refresh, and boom, all the work is done. You can rest assured that your listing is showing in its best possible light. We know that first impressions are critical for the buyers out there. So this is the perfect program to get you beyond those barriers and get your house on the market for the best chance at the most money in the least amount of time. So give me a call and I'll answer your questions and let's get going.